Now we introduce our skeleton new products. It's Butterfly J and Butterfly S. Because for the controller is 6H gyro 32 meg 32 big CPU controller. The controller with the receiver is separate. Yeah, so the people can use this controller for any transmitter, no problem. Yes, this product is total weight is around 300 flight weight. We use the 7.0 volt 2-cell battery to fly it. It's a lot of fun. The product is very simple. So you can get a lot of fun from this product. Okay, now I will introduce how to adjust the PCB board. First, we need to open our transmitter. We need to make channel 1, channel 2, and channel 4 for DR. Any transport